In this tutorial, we'll learn how to generate dynamic descriptions of workbook visualizations in Fusion Data Intelligence or FDI. As a workbook author, I want to add a description to go with a visualization in my workbook. Descriptions provide context and information about the significance of the data for workbook consumers. In this case, it will describe the voluntary turnover of full-time employees over the years. Instead of manually entering descriptions into a text box visualization, another option is to have FDI dynamically generate a description for me. This saves me time and effort. I'll right-click on it and under Edit, I'll choose Duplicate Visualization. Next, for one of these copies of the visual, I'll change the visualization type from line to language narrative. This type of visualization creates natural language descriptions of the attributes and measures in the dataset. I can use the language narrative visualization with the combinations of 2 attributes and 1 measure, or 1 attribute and 2 measures. Once selected, FDI generates text describing what is happening in the line chart visualization. For example, I see information describing peaks and troughs over the last 11 years. I can change how this description is displayed by clicking the Properties icon to edit the properties. For language, I can choose between the available languages. I can also set the level of detail and the type of analysis being done. By default, the level of detail is set to 7, which is the most detailed or longest description. If I wanted a medium length description, I could set it to 4, or for a quick caption, I would set it to 1. Next, I can choose trend or breakdown for my analysis type. Breakdown divides the data into 3 categories, and it describes what defines each of those categories. On the other hand, trend tells me how the data changes and is shaped over time. Find additional tips and resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.